you will receive the Goliath System with this amazing box. Let's find out what there's inside. The first thing we prepare for you is an overview of all the parts and accessories inside the box, with a QR code that will bring you to a welcome page where you will be able to download Slingshot, the software to work with Goliath, find our contacts and tutorial videos. This leaflet is designed to be folded so that you can keep it as a quick introductory guide for the future. This is the power cord stand that allows the power cable to stay up and to not interfere with the positioning sensor cables. Then there's the Goliath manual with a few accessories such as the 70mm wrench, spindle brushes, a router bit, a ER11 collet and the screws. Moreover, there are the spiral power cable and the spindle protection. In the other corner of the box, you find the tower sensors. And in the end, your Goliath CNC. Now you just need a workpiece and you're ready to go.